Hey, friends and family from Ronnie's Farm to Table. I'm here with little Kaiser, and it's a wonderful Wednesday morning. It's February 8th, which means it's my wife's birthday. Yay! And Kaiser's doing pretty good for his old age. And I have some time today where I'm actually able to work a couple hours inside the barn. I'm thinking of doing some tissue cloning, and then I will try to get some wood out of this area here and create a little bonfire for my wife. She really loves bonfires. So we're gonna be a beautiful day above freezing temperatures. So I think to round out her birthday at the end here, I wanna have a little bonfire for her out here. Alrighty, let's get to it. Lots to do. Hey folks, here we are in the Berliner room, and you just heard my rain sound that I play for my mushrooms 24/7 most of the time. There's scientific research that shows that it actually helps them to grow and get into the pinning stages and all kinds of other good benefits, which makes sense when you think about it. A mushroom who lives out in the wild, they usually grow right after rainfall comes and there's moisture, humidity, and warmth in the area. So mimicking that with my little sound system is kind of nice, and also my wife sure likes it. She loves rain sounds, so sometimes she just comes in here, sits here for a couple of minutes and relaxes and just lets go of her day's worries. So the water tank is almost empty here today. It's on the minimum line here, which means it's a perfect moment to do my weekly cleanup with it, which I'm gonna do really quick, and then we're gonna focus on tissue cloning. I have 4 varieties in here. It's pink oysters, white oysters, Italian oysters, and golden oysters. So let's check those out right after I got this tank cleaned. Hold on a second. Hey folks, here we are with my new tissue cloning. I got about 10 of them here, I think. And a couple of things I learned is make sure your labels don't get too wet, because the one that I did in a still air box, the labels at the end got awfully wet and they were hard to peel off, but I will know where they are here in the system. So other than that, let's put them in there before they fall out of my hand here. They're a little bit of a high tower thing. Almost feels like a Jenga puzzle to me. So nice and soft. Hold on. Woo. A little bit of a balancing act too. Alrighty, let's get them in here. Alright, so let's go get outside some firewood, free my little bonfire drum roll that I have there, and let's see what else we can get into. Hey friends, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. It's my wife's birthday, so I gotta go to town, grab a birthday cake, and then later on there's a comedian in town at the local college, which is really awesome, so we're gonna check that one out too. And then after that we're gonna come back and enjoy a little bonfire. So hey, thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a wonderful evening, and remember, happy birthday Heidi. See you tomorrow. Bye.